Hello, hello mga kumari! Kumusta ng araw niyo? Okay, I'm here on the way to my work and while waiting my friend, take time ko muna magkuha ng video, di ba? Yan. Okay, my friend is staying here up here. Yeah. So, she asked me to feature and we had some drinks nearby. Yan, kinuha ko naman siya. Dito lang na ako sa tabi-tabi. Maganda yung apartment, 'di ba? O tingnan mo. Malaki, malawak. So I stay my free time here inside the car while waiting my friend. Yan. Kakain kami diyan doon, oh. Dito 'yun sa kabila ko, sa likod ko may malaking restaurant. Okay diyan. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. So yan, mga 10 minutes na ako dito nag-antay. Darating na raw siya. Wow! We just goose. Have drinks there. Just cold drinks. Okay?